responding to our call to join us in this morning's in today's activity. This only shows that we are very much willing to pool all our efforts, our energy, our resources in our fight against this lingering menace called drug addiction. I pose a challenge to higher education institutions to also come up with a comprehensive strategy, a whole-of-nation approach in combating drug addiction. I think the award can be translated into an effective mechanisms and measures in our HEIs to help our students. Students first policy. Their welfare should be the paramount concern of our higher education institutions. Dahil nandito ang ating mga kapalian, always instill faith in God. Because faith in God, prayers, will always be our primary weapon to combat all the lures of evil in our society. Ora et labora, prayer and labor.
As a student, it has a lot of impacts because sa lahat ng mga sinabi nila, natutunan ko kung paano ko pahalagahan yung buhay ko at kung anong meron ako. And by following all the guidelines they said, it would give me how to have a meaningful life.
Ng training na to as a student, it really helped us to open our minds in different approach in drug abuse because most of the people still have the stigma or in the community have the stigma na if you're a drug user, you cannot change, or if alcoholic ka, even you grow up, there's a lot of stigma pa rin na nadali mo sa community. But this approach by Chad is very nice. For our world, I think I'm gonna share my knowledge for my fellow council members na kung ano nga ba yung different approach na pwede namin gawin, who to contact, kanino i-refer yung individual na suffering from drug abuse or alcoholism para po makatulong kami sa peers namin.
This training of trainers for guidance counselors against illegal drug is something that we have looked for and we have longed for, considering the impact of use of drugs, illegal drugs, which is a segment of mental health. And it cannot be dissociated from issues of mental health because when we are talking of mental health, it is intertwined with many facets of life. For example, the economic, the proper interventions, and how we as mental health advocates, along with other practitioners such as the medical people and other health practitioners, would forge our resources together so that in one, we are together in combating the issues of drugs so that we will be able to have a better Philippines for all.